Hey, what's up guys? One of the most underrated features on your iPhone is iCloud's shared album. And most of us don't even use it. But once you try it, I promise you will absolutely love it. And here are the reasons why. You can share up to 5,000 photos and videos with friends and family in one album. And you can create 200 such albums. The best part is that it's completely free and it doesn't consume any space on your iCloud account. Your friends and family can comment on those photos and videos just like a mini social feed. Even Android users or friends without smartphones can view everything through a simple web link. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use shared album feature in the Photos app on your iPhone. Let's get started. On your iPhone, open the Photos app. Scroll down until you find the option Shared Albums. Here, click on Start Sharing. Tap Add Photo to select all the photos and videos. Select all what you want to include in the album and tap Done. Now you need to give your album a name, something like Trip to Dubai. Now it's time to add participants. Tap Add Participants and then hit the plus button to add friends from your contact list to send the invitation. Here you can only add Apple ID, so make sure that the Apple ID is included in the contacts you selected. If it doesn't include the Apple ID, you can manually type it. Add all participants to be included in the album. Once you have added all, just tap Done. Now click on Create to publish the album. Your friends will receive an email invitation to join the album. As soon as they subscribe, the album will show up under the Shared Album section in the Photos app. They will also be able to like and comment on each photo, which is cool and fun. To manage the album settings, click on the album and tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then tap the album name. From here, you can manage the album settings. Here you can add or remove participants. You can also allow others to add photos to the album and turn notifications on or off. And here is the coolest feature, public website. If you toggle this on, it generates a shareable link. You can send it to anyone even if they are not using an iPhone. Just tap Share Link and you can email or message the link directly or simply copy and paste it to your friends on WhatsApp. You can open the link on any browser and view the full album and download the images or videos they need. Shared album feature is perfect for sending a ton of photos to someone far away or to keep your photos stored in the cloud when you don't have enough storage space on your iPhone. And yes, once your photos are in the shared album, they don't take up space on your device anymore. You can delete the original photos from your iPhone storage and you will have access to the same photos in the shared album. The only drawback with shared album is that your photos and videos will be compressed to enable faster upload and download. So your photos will have a maximum resolution of 2048 pixels on the longest edge, and the videos will be compressed down to 720p even if they are 4K. Definitely, I will not complain about this because it's completely free. I hope you like this video. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up. And leave a comment if you have any questions and subscribe for more easy iPhone tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.